Gotta get the birds down and lock them up. But before we do, let's see. Tanjiro and what's her name? Kano.
You're so pretty. Go to the boyfriend.
Alright. Come on, girls. Y'all know what time it is. Come on. Good girl. Now your turn. Come on. One for your big moment. Do a big jump. Do a big jump. Come on. Big jump.
This girl. You can do it.
Big jump. Come on. I gotta help you, Mama. Come on.
Just touch your tail feather and she'll
Come on. Good girl.
I felt that one.
More coming on y'all soon. Alright. Where you want to show the doves, you said?
Yeah, I want to get started by the rest of the little cage. Oh! I stopped Pops's cage. Sorry.